Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Docs add-ons to streamline research workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once in Google Docs, open an existing document or create a new one. In the top menu, click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons. Next, click on Get Add-on. In the search bar, type in the specific add-on you want to install, such as Research or Citation. Browse through the list of available add-ons. When you find one that suits your needs, click on it to view more details. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. A window will pop up asking for permission to access your Google account. Review the permissions, and if you agree, click the Allow button. Once installed, return to your Google Docs document. To access your new add-on, click again on Extensions in the top menu. Hover over Add-ons in the drop-down menu. You should see your installed add-on listed there. Click on it to launch the add-on interface. Follow any on-screen instructions to set up or configure the add-on for your specific needs. Utilize the features provided by the add-on to streamline your research workflow. To manage existing add-ons, return to the Add-ons menu. Select Manage Add-ons to see a list of all installed add-ons. From here, you can enable, disable, or uninstall any add-ons as needed. This process allows you to customize Google Docs to better suit your research needs. Experiment with different add-ons to find the ones that enhance your workflow the most. With the right add-ons, you can improve efficiency and organization in your research projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.